There are countless security turrets out there designed to protect homes and properties, but this incredible invention from the PaintCam team truly stands apart, and for good reason. It's officially the world's first intelligent turret security system powered by paintball-based technology. Once someone steps within 30 meters of your property, the system's smart AI camera instantly detects the movement. Using advanced algorithms, it can even distinguish between people and pets, ensuring accuracy and safety. If an unknown person is identified, the turret automatically activates, deploying harmless paintball rounds designed to mark and deter. You can even select UV-visible marking paintballs or tear-inducing variants for professional-level security responses. Even better, the PaintCam system connects straight to your smartphone to manage it. The iMower robot guards are officially on duty, and the T2000 model might sound like something straight out of In a Mission. Instead, this clever machine comes loaded with over 20 advanced sensors, 4 precision cameras, and LiDAR technology, giving it a complete 360-degree field of vision to spot intruders or unusual activity with ease. Once it detects something suspicious, the robot immediately alerts the owner and every authorized user in its system, sending instant notifications to smartphones or emails. And if things get serious, it can trigger a 120-decibel alarm, which is actually louder than a live rock concert, enough to grab anyone's attention in seconds. Picture your yard as the perfect green paradise, your very own yard enforcer dream come true. But suddenly, all the cats, dogs, squirrels, and neighborhood critters decide it's their playground too. Don't panic. That's exactly where the yard enforcer steps in to save the day. This clever system uses an infrared motion sensor to detect unwanted guests and instantly sprays a jet of water up to 11 meters away, using just 2 cups of water per shot. It's smart, efficient, and surprisingly fun to watch in action. Powered by 4 AA batteries, it can handle around 7,500 on and off cycles. That's a ton of protection. You can even program it to operate only in the day, only at night, or 24 hours non-stop, depending on your schedule. Pepper spray burns intensely on skin, and if it gets in your eyes, you'll sob more than you did at Titanic's ending. We're touring the Less Lethal Concepts factory, a firm focused on pepper-based defensive gear. Their teams install systems in spots like fence posts or under door frames so intruders won't see where they were hit. Sneezing and coughing are really only the beginning of the trouble. At times, the pepper solution can restrict breathing and trigger eyelid spasms. It even sometimes incapacitates dogs. Owners deploy these devices for perimeter protection, but remember, they're for safety and deterrence, not lasting harm. Luxurious cars can be easily stolen straight out of a garage, a harsh reminder that even prized cars aren't safe without serious protection. That's where Ballistic barriers come in. This company builds what it calls the world's safest garage doors, engineered for extreme threats. Their top-tier, Violent 4 Level 8 model resists crowbars, AK-47 rounds, 12-gauge shotgun blasts, and even C4 explosions. Want to try ramming it with a car? Not a chance. The gate holds firm. Designed to withstand criminal attacks for up to an hour, it buys you time and peace of mind. Let's be honest, most would-be intruders don't stick around that long. Similar innovations are emerging with the Fog Use security system, a solution praised by law enforcement agencies across the globe. This powerful device can fill 150 cubic meters of space with dense smoke in just 20 seconds, instantly disorienting intruders and protecting your valuables. Even better, it's incredibly simple to set up. Installation takes as little as 20 minutes, making it one of the fastest and most effective defenses for homes or businesses today. We have been taught that bad guys prefer the dark. But here's the surprising part. Researchers who dug through 14 years of crime data from England and Wales found no link between street lighting and crime rates. That alone could save governments serious money. The UK once shelled out $380 million on streetlights in a single year. If you're still worried about your own property, meet the Startle 360 light. It uses up to 75% less power than a standard street lamp, is tough enough to shrug off small bullet impacts, and only turns on when it detects movement, instantly blasting would-be thieves with 9,600 lumens of blinding light. Smart, efficient, and definitely a dramatic way to make intruders think twice. You can't steal what you can't see. That's the pitch behind the Zero Vision system. If a burglar gets inside, in about 45 seconds, the whole area fills with fog. It's safe for people and pets, but it makes it nearly impossible for an intruder to navigate. The setup is wireless, and a single unit can fog up to 100 square meters. Worried about someone sneaking a midnight snack? The system includes cameras and motion sensors, and a real operator watches the feed. They trigger the fog only when things look suspicious. Typically, that response takes around 30 seconds. If the situation escalates, the operator can summon a security team and the police to handle it. Let's put a few doors to the ultimate durability test. Take the ones made by Shaw Company. They proudly claim to produce some of the safest steel doors on the planet. In fact, these things are built so tough that breaking through the wall itself would actually be easier than forcing your way through the door. To make it even more impressive, the company offers custom sizes, up to 2 meters wide and 3 meters high, practically turning your entryway into a fortress gate. If you're not quite ready to invest in a super reinforced door, there's still a smart way to boost your home's protection: door blockers. They may come in different shapes and styles, but they all share one goal: making it much harder for intruders to get inside. Take the Sold Secure model, for instance. It's built specifically for garage doors and works best on concrete surfaces, thanks to its sturdy bolt fastening system. Then there's the Sabre blocker, a more flexible option that fits most inward opening swing doors, as long as there's about a 3mm gap between the door and its frame. And for sliding doors, the Ace Mining locking device does the job perfectly. It's height adjustable from 53 to 117 centimeters, and incredibly lightweight, just 1 kilogram, which even makes it handy for travel use, according to the manufacturer's recommendation. Do you believe that drones can guard you and your property, where drones patrol every corner? Well, guess what? Real life has practically caught up with that sci-fi vision. Nowadays, small drones are actually monitoring real-world locations, and they're called Tando. When these drones aren't flying around, they dock neatly on ceilings using special charging tiles. But when action calls, they spring to life, equipped with both standard and thermal cameras, giving them a 360-degree view of rooms and corridors. All the data they gather goes straight to the cloud, where AI systems analyze everything in real time. And it's not just about spotting intruders. These drones can also detect fires, leaks, or anything unusual, and instantly alert operators. It really makes you wonder, is this yet another job slowly being replaced by machines? The creators behind Face definitely know how to capture attention. They feature a powerful image of a burning home alongside the message, "We have a wildfire problem. What if this was my house? What if I lost everything to ash?" A statement that instantly hits home. They back it up with staggering facts. In just 3 years, wildfires have burned over 3 million hectares across California and destroyed nearly 50,000 buildings. That's where Face steps in. It's a system made of sprinkler heads positioned around your property that during a fire automatically release a fire-suppressing chemical within a 1.5-meter radius. Essentially, Face creates a safety barrier to prevent flames from spreading. And the best part is, they can even be installed inside rooms for added protection. Imagine coming home from a long day and realizing your motorcycle is missing. A total nightmare for any rider. It's the kind of situation no one wants to face. And even with police reports filed, recovery often feels like chasing shadows. That is why the Garage Defender system was created specifically for homeowners who want real peace of mind. This smart device prevents thieves from prying open garage doors or forcing metal panels off their tracks, keeping your ride right where you left it. Despite its power, the Garage Defender is only 9mm thick, meaning it won't interfere when you roll your bike out. Compact, durable, and designed with riders in mind, this little shield packs serious protection. Home Sweet Home takes on a whole new meaning for anyone serious about security when you install this key safe built to police standards with an LPS 1175 security rating. It's rugged, designed to withstand attackers who know exactly what they're doing and come armed with crowbars, sledgehammers, drills, and power saws. Inside space is modest, enough for maybe 3 big keys at most. But those keys sit behind an 18mm thick door, protected by a code between 4 to 8 numbers long. The unit bolts down solidly with 4 mounting bolts, each 5mm wide and 50mm long, so it's anchored tight and built to last. Compact, uncompromising, and engineered to give you real peace of mind at the front door. Tall, sturdy fences often attract curious cats, birds, and even a few unwanted visitors, which is why many companies now offer anti-climb spikes to help keep trespassers at bay. These spikes come in all shapes and forms, plastic or metal with blunt or pointed ends. But one brand stands out by offering the longest spike strips available, each measuring a solid 50 centimeters in length and designed to be split into 3 sections for easier fitting and customization. This unique spike system with a clever shape makes climbing over it nearly impossible. Anyone who tries would quickly realize it's not worth the effort. And that's a wrap on today's countdown of insane home security gadgets. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more jaw-dropping contents.